Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Rimmi Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be creating if I went to Coachella look. I know guys, it's a bit imaginary, but I swear to god, this electric blue hippie vibe would have been my look. So without any further ado, let's begin. Using LA Pro Gold Coverage Foundation in the shade Nude Beige. It's a medium to full coverage foundation. It gives a dewy finish, and if you have a dry skin type, go for this foundation. I'm using a brush to apply this foundation, and then I'm going in with the beauty blender to blend the foundation even better. Guys, as you can see, the finish of the foundation is pretty amazing, and this foundation is my top favorite foundation. After using the foundation, I'm going in with the Milani concealer in the shade Light Nude. Guys, I've tried this viral concealer hack where people draw glasses all around their eyes, so I did the same, and guys, to be very honest, it is not that much of a hack. Rather, it's a lot of blending and a lot of hard work, so I'm gonna skip this hack. Speaking of the concealer, guys, it's a full coverage concealer, so creamy and blends like a dream. So if you have a dry skin type, again, like if you have a dry eyelids, go for this type of concealer. To keep my concealer intact, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade Light. Now moving on to the eyes, I'm using You Can Be Mirror eyeshadow palette. Guys, as you can see, it's a huge eyeshadow palette. I'm using this grey shade to create a crease slightly above my natural crease. Then I'm blending the drawn crease to remove harsh lines. After that, I'm filling the blue eyeshadow all over my eyelid and trying to create a wing. This palette is highly pigmented, but a lot of shades are a bit chalky. To make my eyes more dramatic, I'm applying the white eyeliner on my crease and adding a line and sort of making a wing. Now I'm creating a wing with a black eyeliner. I'm adding this peacock shade eyeliner on my lower lash line, and then I smoked it out with a blue eyeshadow which I used previously on my eyelids. Now I'm adding the falsies. Now moving on with the bronzer, and to bronze my face, I'm using this Milani Baked bronzer. It's a great product. It adds that sheen and warmth to the face. Now I'm adding blush on my face, and for that I'm using the Maybelline blush again. I'm applying the blush slightly above my cheeks to brighten up my under eyes. After that, I'm lining my lips with a K-Beauty lip liner. Guys, I love this lip liner. It's so soft on the lips and it has good stay. It does not budge the lipstick at all. After that, I'm adding René Crayon lipstick in the shade Pink Thunder, and I'm blending everything with my fingers. And that's it, you guys. I added some braids and shell jewelry, and I'm all set for Coachella. That was it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts on this makeup in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.